A new era of the Ukrainian military-industrial complex. This is how the armed forces called the arrival of BAE Systems to Ukraine. It is the largest defense company of Great Britain. It specializes in the production of equipment and systems for the defense and aerospace industries. BAE Systems is one of the largest defense companies in the world and operates on the markets of many countries. The armament of its production is already actively operating in Ukraine. There are artillery systems such as L-119 and M-777, as well as BMP CV-90. President Volodymyr Zelensky with the CEO of the company, Charles Woodburn, they signed an agreement to open a BAE Systems representative office in Ukraine. The company will not only manufacture spare parts and repair damaged equipment, but will also manufacture the L-119 light guns. A special repair center for Leopard tanks and other military equipment of German origin will also be operational in Ukraine. The hub will be opened by the Rheinmetall concern. Currently, Ukrainians who will later become factory workers are studying in Germany. In addition, sooner or later, Rheinmetall intends to manufacture Leopard tanks in Ukraine. For this purpose, the concern plans to lease one of the sufficiently well-equipped armored companies that have remained in Ukraine since Soviet times. Rheinmetall will work together with the state concern Ukroboronprom. Let's talk about drones that became a special discovery of the Russian-Ukrainian war. Metal birds have become real fighters in the sky. Ukrainian drones developers have come a long way and are impressing the military with the new technologies. However, it is impossible to tell much about them now so as not to reveal the secrets to the enemy. In addition to hundreds of Ukrainian manufacturers, the Turkish Baykar will also repair and manufacture drones in Ukraine. The Ministry of Defense of Ukraine and the manufacturer Bayraktar agreed on the construction of the service center for the maintenance of drones. I would like to add the Baykar machine is an aircraft manufacturing company founded in 1984, which has gone from a manufacturer of parts for cars to a leading manufacturer of drones known throughout the world. More than 1,500 people work there. So the Baykar factory is already being built in Ukraine, where TB2 and Akinci drones with motor siege engines will be manufactured. It will become operational in 2025. In addition, two countries agreed to create a service center for repair and maintenance of unmanned aerial vehicles. In addition to military interests, the political issue of cooperation in the military sector of Ukraine with the Turkish side has now become urgent, given the failed results of the negotiations between Erdogan and Putin in Sochi on the grain agreement. One more surprise is SAER Scout, new Ukrainian drones with full artificial intelligence. This is a completely different level of opportunities for armed forces. The birds have already gone to the front. They work as a group. The complex consists of several drones, one of which works as a scout. It independently recognized enemy equipment, even camouflaged, determines its coordinates and transmits this information to the command post, to the Delta automated control system. The main task of the reconnaissance drones is to direct other drones included in the complex to the targets. They see them even at night. SAER Scout shows that Ukraine already has its own ready and working technology for recognizing the contours of military equipment. It is about mastering the recognition algorithm based on conventional optical or thermal imaging camera. So, such a complex of drones with artificial intelligence can independently conduct reconnaissance, identify the highest priority target, and attack it without constant human involvement.